Hey everyone, let's freshen up an old nightstand with new wood stain and a splash of mid-century paint color. My great-uncle Jim built this nightstand for shop class around 1960. I loved it before, but just wanted to give it a little makeover to match my guest room decor and sand out the old wear and tear. Start by gently removing the drawer handle. Then sand the nightstand to prepare it for staining and painting. I started with a power sander, followed by fine 220 grit sandpaper to smooth out the wood. Just don't sand if you think your nightstand contains lead. Next, you can fill any holes with wood putty or filler. Let that dry and then sand it smooth. Then wipe away all the sanding dust and make sure your nightstand is clean and dry before staining. Apply stain to the nightstand in the direction of the wood grain, using a foam brush or clean cloth. Only stain the sections you're not going to paint. Let the stain soak in for about 15 minutes or according to the directions for your stain. Then use a clean cloth to wipe away the excess. After the stain dries overnight, you can move on to painting. Use painter's tape to protect the stained area around the section you want to paint. I painted the inside cubby with PPG brass mesh, a cheerful mid-century yellow color. Let the paint dry completely and then apply wood polish to the stained areas of the nightstand. This beeswax wood polish feeds and conditions the wood as a nice finishing touch. Leave the polish on for at least 20 minutes and then wipe away the excess with a clean, soft cloth. Let that dry overnight. Finally, attach your new drawer handle and admire your handiwork.